Hello and welcome to Slice of Celona. I am Greg Yatman, and with me today is a brand new guest that you may or may not have met before, Dariush Afshar. He's our VP of Business Development and Strategic Alliances, and today he's here to address a little rumor that I heard around the hallways that Google and Celona are working together. And if that's true, that means that Google may have gotten into the private wireless or private cellular game. So to confirm, deny, or give me another explanation, we have Dariush to give us more. So Dariush, would you explain?
Thanks, Greg. Thanks for having me. It's pretty cool to be on Slice of Celona after watching so many episodes. So Google's taking a partner-led approach to the private cellular market. We're the only enterprise-focused vendor with an end-to-end offering in this announcement. The others are managed service providers. Google's growing presence in this market is only further validation of the same market opportunity that we've been excited about over the past couple of years. They're obviously hearing and seeing the same market indicators that we are. And things like ever-growing connectivity demands for enterprise customers. The current enterprise customer is facing needs for more connectivity for IoT devices, cybersecurity concerns, AI, robotics, and all the various automation tools that are being offered to them to improve their business.
Okay, so what is the relationship then between Google and Celona? I suppose that it's a good relationship, but how has it evolved and how do they plan to work together, or how do we plan to work with Google?
So the relationship with Google has been rapidly evolving over the past couple of years as the market's developed. The feedback we've heard from Google is that a number of factors have led to their decision to partner more closely with Celona. Those have included things like their appreciation for enterprise-focused architecture, the end-to-end offering with advantages such as micro-slicing. They're witnessing firsthand our market validation from joint customers as we talk together to those joint customers.
So was there one particular thing or a variety of things that drove them to partner with us? I mean, you gave some examples of how we're going to work together, but was there one particular thing that stood out above the rest?
So I think it's recognition of our best of breed technology. As you know, the Google ecosystem touches the private cellular market in a number of different ways, right? From the Android operating system and all of its connected devices to Google Cloud and its offering, and the shared access spectrum system that Google offers as well. And so Celona, as a best of breed private cellular market leader, is constantly working to optimize how we work with different aspects of that ecosystem to drive more value for our mutual customers. So this announcement is simply more evidence of that from Google's perspective.
All right, so if you wouldn't mind, if I'm a customer, partner, prospect, or someone just interested in what's going on in the marketplace, what would be my next steps? In addition to watching more Slice of Celona, obviously, what would I do to get more involved in the process and be more informed?
So both Celona and Google are partnering together with a select group of early customers as we tune the offering together for customers' benefit. We'll be proactively reaching out to our customers and partners as the offering develops. So the best thing to do, as always, is please continue to keep your relevant Celona field and channel contacts in the loop as to your interest. And we'll be monitoring that closely.
All right, that's pretty easy. So just pay attention, right? Watch Celona, watch the news, watch for any press releases or any sort of social media releases, or stay in contact with your field representative, whether it be a marketing representative, channel, or sales. Or if you know some of our leadership team, please reach out, please stay in touch. Also, feel free to tag or talk to Dariush on social media. I'm sure he may get back to you if he's watching his channels. But in the meantime, continue to watch Slice of Celona, our past episodes, our future episodes. Like, subscribe, share, and be on the lookout for more around Google, Celona. And until then, we hope you have a fantastic day. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay in touch. Bye-bye now.